video, we will discuss the process of implementing and utilizing an integration with Backgrounds Online to order background checks for volunteers in your service database. Backgrounds Online provides compliant background checks that help you make informed decisions, create a safe workplace, and protect your brand. Integrating your existing Backgrounds Online account with CERVIS is free and does not increase your monthly or annual fees. To begin, if you do not already have an account, you must create a free account with Backgrounds Online. Then you will need to locate your account ID, which can be found in the Resources section of your account with Backgrounds Online. Using this along with your username and password, you can integrate Backgrounds Online into CERVIS. From the System Configuration, under the System Management heading, scroll down to the Background Check Integration section. Expand it, and input the 3 required fields. Once you have updated the system configuration, you will see the View and Manage Volunteer Background Checks option under the Volunteer Management heading of the main dashboard. Within this menu, you can order varying levels of background checks for volunteers within your system. Search for and select the volunteer for whom you would like to order a background check. Select the type, and then click Submit Background Check. There are 4 standard types of background checks available, and you can also order a custom check after configuring it through the Backgrounds Online portal. For more information about the types of background checks available, review the service information for Backgrounds Online using the link in the description. After ordering a background check, an email is sent directly to the volunteer with a link to complete the background check form online and optionally pay for it as well. The content of this message can be edited in the System Configuration under the Email Message Content section. You can see all of the pending and previously run background checks on this screen. The status of the background check will initially be Pending Applicant until the volunteer follows the prompt in the background check email message. CERVIS will automatically sync with Backgrounds Online once per day to update the status, but you can also select to manually initiate a status check whenever you would like. After a background check is completed, it will either be marked as clear if nothing has been found, or review if something has been found that should be reviewed manually. To review a background check, you can select the checkbox on the left and click View Report. This will prompt a download of the PDF version of the report. After reviewing a report, or for background checks marked as clear, you can finalize a background check as passed or failed. This will update the background check status and date field in a volunteer account, as well as store a note on the volunteer profile indicating the staff member who performed the action. Just as it is now, background checks can be used as restrictions on an event. Finally, if you need to resend the background check application email to a volunteer, or cancel an order, you can also do so from this menu.